Hello, my name is Steve Pennington. I'm the founder and Chief Scientific Officer of the UCD spin-out company, Atturos. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank Kay Duggan-Walls for giving me the opportunity to relate to you some of the experience Atturos has had in engaging with EU funding initiatives as we approach the launch of Horizon Europe Health this year. Atturos is a research and development intensive startup. It's focused on the development of blood protein biomarker tests to support patient and clinician decisions in chronic diseases, with the intention of providing better outcomes for patients. The test that the company are developing is based on a platform for protein biomarker measurements that's mass spectrometry based. And you can see here a picture of the Atturos laboratory in the Conway Institute. The company has a pipeline of tests and associated intellectual property. So far, it's received and successfully participated in a number of different EU funded programs. So we successfully completed an SME, small to medium enterprise instrument phase 1 proposal and received funding for preparation for business planning. The company is a partner in a screened consortium, which is screening for endocrine disruptors, and that consortium is part of a group of 7 other consortia, which are combined into an EU cluster. The company is also a partner in an innovative medicines initiative program, SOPHIA, which is based on the stratification of obesity phenotypes to optimize future therapy. And most excitingly, the company is a co-leading partner in a new IMI project that will be announced and kicks off in next month. So in looking at the benefits that's brought to the company, obviously it's meant that we've had a greater awareness of EU funding opportunities, and that potentially will lead to future applications. Atturos is clearly now on the EU radar. And I suppose one of the key benefits is the networks and associated linkages that being a partner or participant in these programs affords us. And we're keen to make sure that that's aligned to the company's growth. So our observations are that it's relatively easy to play a partner role in an EU consortium, certainly compared to leading a consortium. But obviously, as a partner rather than a lead, one has less project control. The overheads associated with these EU grants are fixed and not particularly generous. And it's really important to note that you can only claim and receive funds against what has actually been spent. So I guess our observation would be not to do it for the money. And even if you do, it's important to ensure that there's really good alignment with the company's goals and commercial aims. And that's, I think, especially relevant for partnering in these large collaborative projects. The SME specific calls are very different. They're very competitive, but they potentially have really good gains in terms of the funding and that being equity free. So in that case, our observation would be to do it for the money. And so with those brief thoughts and observations, I'd just like to thank again Kay Duggan-Walls for giving us the opportunity. And if you wanted to follow up with any questions or comments, then please don't hesitate to email myself or Kieran Duffy at Atturos. And it's just worth pointing out that Kieran has a lot of experience as a former national contact point for Ireland for EU health initiatives. So thank you.